Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. So today I am going to show you some products that I got from newcraftday. I've worked with them in the past. It's a website devoted to crafting, mainly diamond paintings. I think they have cross stitch, they have junk journal supplies. If you don't know what a diamond painting is, I have a ton of videos that I've done in the past. This is a diamond painting. These are ones that I've done. It's super easy and a lot of fun. Here's another one I recently did. Well, not recently, but within the last year. Very pretty. So today I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna show you two brand new diamond paintings that I received in the mail. And then the giveaway is gonna have 3 winners, and each one of you is gonna win a $10 gift card to newcraftday. So these are the new diamond paintings that I'm going to show you right now. Haven't put them together. I might do an instructional video. I have instructional videos on my other diamond painting videos where I show you exactly how to diamond paint. I'll leave a little link up there. You can look at them. It's so easy. These are 2 new, I guess they're like, what do I want to say? They're like mobiles, like dangles. But the nice thing about this one is you have the back side, which has a picture, and then the front side, which is where you're going to do your diamond painting. I've done them before where only the front has the diamond painting and the back is just plain white. So that's what makes this really special, is that when you hang it up, you're going to see the image on both sides. So I will leave the links down below and the pricing. I believe this one is like $11.88. It's of a dragonfly. And then we have all the little bits and pieces in here to do it. And wait till you see it. It really doesn't take a lot. Okay. You've got all your beads, and you got your little tray, handy dandy tray with the little wax, and then your little plotter pointer, and you even have the chain, so when you're done you can hang it up. And if you look very closely on this, you're going to see numbers, and the numbers correspond with numbers on the beads. It's that simple. And the second kit I'm going to show you is really for fall. Now we're in December, so I'm gonna make sure I will have this done for next fall, but it's so pretty. And I find diamond painting really relaxing. A child can do it, it's so easy. This one is a pumpkin, and it's gonna say Happy Fall. So this is the back of it, and this is the front. By the way, on the front, when you do your diamond painting, you work in sections. You just peel away the little plastic, and this is sticky underneath. So you're going to plot your beads on this side. It's going to say Happy Fall, and it's a group of pumpkins. I'll leave the pricing on the screen. And just like the other kit, we have our supplies. This one is together in the same bag. You have your little tray to put the beads in, you have the little chain to hang it up, your little plotter pen, I'm sure there's wax, and then all the beads. So I think both are gorgeous. This is going to look absolutely beautiful when it's done, and you can hang it up in a window. So that is it, but let me get to the giveaway. So there's a couple of things you got to do. Number one, I'm going to leave a link down below. Register your name and your address, your details at newcraftday. And then I am going to pick the winner. There's going to be 3 winners. I'll do that random plotter picker, and each one of you are going to get a $10 gift card to use at their website on anything that you would like. So when I do the follow-up video for the winners, all you're going to have to do is provide me with your email address, and I will shoot that over to newcraftday. Number 2, you have to be a public subscriber to my channel. That shows me a little bit of support, because it does take some time and effort to do videos, and I do love your support. Thank you. And just comment down below anything you want to say. There's no magic word. There's no anything. Just let me know you want to enter and tell me anything you want to say to me. Simple as that. So that's it. That's it. I will pick the winner later on this week. I should give it a firm closeout day, because I don't like to enter contests myself if there's not an end date. So let's make the end date. I hate when other YouTubers do this and they think, oh, what date? I can't even remember today's date, to tell you the truth. Which is so sad. All right, I have a dentist appointment tomorrow, 11, 12. Let's make it the 15th of December. I will pick the winner, so you can enter through the 14th of December. It's a short notice giveaway, and I'll come back online and let you know, either in the comments, or I'll do a follow-up video, or on my community page. I will actually comment to your comment and let you know that you're a winner. Let's do it that way. I've been really busy lately, and I have a whole bunch of videos I have planned ahead. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to comment in the comments that you're a winner. Then you can just email me your email, and I'll get you in touch with New Craft Day. Okay, thanks New Craft Day for the wonderful kits and for allowing me to host this giveaway, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.